Good morning, Trek team. Where are we today? We're at the Niagara County Courthouse. In this building, many laws are discussed and passed as the legislature meets here. The district attorney's office is here as well. And there's many courts, such as family court, where laws are upheld and enforced. The county clerk is here. And this is also where people come for a pistol permit. What better place to talk about integer rules and integer laws but this law place? So let's talk first about what is an integer. An integer are the set of all positive, and that's the sign we use, and negative numbers. That's what integers are. And there's certain rules for adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing them. Let's start with adding. When we add integers, suppose I had a negative 20 and a positive 8. I just have two signs, so I'm adding. I always say like signs add, unlike signs subtract, takes the sign of the greater number. So these are unlike signs, so I'm really going to subtract. And I end up getting this number. And I'm going to take the sign of the bigger number, not integer, because 8 is really the biggest integer, but the biggest number would be 12. And you did this when you were in second grade. When you did 7 minus 2, this really was a positive. And so you said like signs add, unlike signs subtract, take the sign of the greater number. Now what if I did have a subtraction problem? What if I had a negative 62 minus a negative 10? Look at that big fat butt sticking out there. You know I say that in class. That's your subtraction sign. Now you have three signs, so that's a subtraction sign. So I need to keep the first one, but change both of these. Keep, change. Now I turned it into an addition. What did I do when I was adding integers? I said like signs add, unlike signs subtract, take the sign of the greater. These are unlike signs, so I need to subtract, take the sign of the greater. Very easy. Now, a big easy thing is going to be multiplying and dividing. That's super easy. When you multiply or divide, you simply multiply or divide, but then you look at your signs. For example, if I had a negative 20 divided by a positive 2, I would divide first. My answer's 10. Now I need my sign of my answer, and I say like signs positive, unlike negative. If this would have been a negative 20 divided by a negative 2, I would have ended up with a positive 10. Same thing with multiplication. If I had negative 5 times a positive 2, I multiply, I get 10. Unlike signs, negative. If they were both positive, I would simply multiply them and get a positive. Very, very easy. So, let's see if you could copy this little ditty that I have, and I think you'll like it. It's a song. Here it is. It says, same sign add and keep, different sign subtract. Take the sign of the greater number, then you'll be exact. If you see a great big butt, remember that subtraction. Always keep change. Then take the sign of the greater number, then you'll be exact. Finally, when you multiply or divide, like signs positive, if they are unlike signs, then the answer's negative. So, come on down to this courthouse. Do you know there's 17 security guards here? Oh my gracious, you know it's important then. Please learn your rules. They're so important.